This is like the best coffee we've ever had.
Barbecue meatloaf. This is the onion pesto.
Burger.
Banana vegan pancakes.
That looks so delicious. Alright you guys, let's dig in. Alright you guys, this is Powerplant Superfood Cafe. How would you rate this restaurant, Sharon?
5 stars.
5 stars from Sharon. I think I give the sandwiches here and the burgers were amazing. They definitely get 5 stars. If you guys are in LA, you definitely gotta check this place out. The pancakes were like very healthy, gluten-free, like whole wheat tasting pancakes. So Sharon loved them. They're very good for healthy pancakes. I prefer the fluffy, sweet pancakes. Anyway, so if you like the place, highly recommend it. Stuff I eat, Inglewood, California. What do we have here? We have an enchilada pie, side salad, and vegan mac and cheese. Sharon says it's really good. I can't wait to try it. Think about the enchilada.
The enchilada pie was really good.
That was really good. I felt like they could have put more tortilla chips and it would have been much better.
Chips.
Yeah, but it was a very good, like good quality ingredients, flavorful, spice just right. Enchilada pie was bomb, 5 stars.
What about the mac and cheese?
The mac and cheese was good. I'd say, considering it was vegan, it was so good. It was like the best mac and cheese for vegan. If you guys are in Inglewood and you want to try some good vegan food, definitely check out Stuff I Eat. If you guys like food that's vegan, try Stuff I Eat. But the restaurant itself, I'd give maybe 2 stars just because it was so dark and it seems so old. It didn't have like a new, fresh, clean feel to it like most restaurants.
I think considering the area, it was pretty good.
If you guys are trying to get good salad, don't get the side salad. It just looks like a plain. They were about to close. I was like, can I get another fork? And she's like, we're about to close in 3 minutes. Do you want that to go? And I was like, really? Are you kicking me out? I feel like they were kicking us out.
I mean, I get it, but if there was better service, I would give it maybe 4 stars for location. Because I feel like customer service to me means a lot because I worked in customer service for so long. And I know.
How was that falafel plate?
It's so
There's
good.
so much variety of veggies there. It looks so healthy and it tastes so fresh. You guys, even if you don't like Mediterranean food, you still gotta come here for this lemonade. It's like the best lemonade ever. I swear I've never had better lemonade. This is the best. So what do you think about this food, Sharon?
Everything tastes so fresh and homemade.
If you guys check in on Yelp at this place and leave a 5-star review, you'll get a free lemonade. There's like 5 to choose from and I swear like 3 of them I could drink all day, every day. Gotta try Hummus Republic. The cheesecake at Creation.
Tastes like yogurt.
Well, one thing I noticed that was unusual about this cheesecake was it doesn't look like cheesecake. It looks like a bowl of yogurt. It looks like strawberry yogurt. I think we got scammed. This isn't a cheesecake at all. Yeah, it sucks. Alright you guys, if you go to Creation, don't get the cheesecake. It's not
Unless
real.
you're in the mood for like vegan yogurt.
Yeah.
Kind of like yogurt.
Don't believe the label that says cheesecake. It's actually yogurt.
It's like vegan Yoplait, strawberry flavor.
Yeah, it is like a very high quality Yoplait yogurt. Alright you guys, so we put back the cheesecake and got something else that we really wanted in the first place. Glam band. Let's try the glam band. Wow, I didn't see that
it has coffee in it.
I know, I just now noticed that. I took a sip and I was like, wow, this tastes more like coffee than anything else.
It's so good.
It has coffee in the ingredients. This glam band is a collagen protein. Has avocado, MCT oil, almond butter, cacao nibs, cold brew coffee, coconut milk, Ceylon cinnamon, and Himalayan salt. This is like the best coffee we've ever had.
Yeah, it's really good.
I had no idea Creation even sold coffee.